Hello, remote family. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm back with another work from home job today, and as always, I have a no phone job, and this doesn't require any degree. So, the opening I have is with this company, Evolent Health. They are into healthcare services. So, let's get into the job requirements. So, they are looking for appeals coordinator, and this is a work at home, a full-time job. So let's see the job requirements. So what you will be doing, here are the essential functions. You will maintain a caseload and monitor day-to-day compliance of appeal decision timeframes. You will review clinical and medical records for completeness and determines administrative or clinical appeal. You will assign and review to physician advisors and medical directors for those requiring medical necessity reviews, enters all data related to appeals and case reviews into a database, prepares and presents information on appeals to panels, second level multidisciplinary committee. You will participate in data gathering and analysis of reports regarding appeal activity as well as preparing for appeals audits, provides new employee training, monitors quality improvement activities of appeals department and assist in the development of depart flows and implementations, and also coordinates and distributes first, second, and third level appeal request assignments. You will consult with managers on problem cases and interfaces with case managers, clinical supervisors, account managers, and other personnel in resolving denial and appeal questions. You will respond to member, provider, and client telephone inquiries regarding status, process, and outcome of appeals, and also organizes volume of work and workflow so that performance standard and proper procedures for appeals resolution according to client requirements and state and federal regulations are addressed. So the schedule for this job will be from 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. CST. The required qualifications are it doesn't require any college degree. Um, you need to have an experience in customer interaction. That too is not compulsory, and a detailed review of health related materials, a strong interpersonal skills and attention to detail, and able to organize work and seek help on task when needed, a strong written and proofing skills required, ensuring document meet standards and are accurate. So they just need a high school, no college degree, and the minimum salary range for this position is $21 an hour plus benefits. So this was a no phone job. So if you're interested in this job role, then please go ahead and apply for the same. You will find a link for this below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for a work from home opportunity, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.